Hi, Pop On fam. Charlotte here. Just wanted to give you a little bit about my experience with Pop On Veneers. It has been 100% the best investment that I've ever made. My confidence is back 100 times fold. Um, I don't have them in right now because I wanted to show you how quick and easy and the difference. So right now, um, doesn't look that great, and you could see why I needed some help. So if you have cracks, gaps, broken teeth, missing teeth, and you just want to smile again and get your confidence back, I recommend Pop On Veneers. Their customer service is outstanding, start to finish. I'm gonna go ahead and pop them in. I got tops and bottoms just so they will match. Boom, done. The bottoms pop right in. And look at the difference. So thank you so much, Pop On Veneers. You are the best. You have a customer for life. Thank you.